good morning, and welcome back to another weekly vlog. We're getting ready to leave the house right now to take the boys to school. And after this, we're going to go meet up with the landlord and go look at our new place. If you have not watched my other video where I gave you a little update of what life is like right now or what is going on in our lives, we decided to move because the place that we're at right now, it's great. More than what we need. It's amazing. However, everything's a little bit old here, so a lot of things started to break down last year, and now we're at the point where we don't know what's going to break next. So before that happens, we're trying to move, and an apartment became available. Some of our friends were moving out, so we decided to move in, and we gave our deposit last week, and today we're going to go look at it one last time before we sign the contract in a few weeks. So I have spent plenty of time in that apartment, but we just want to go look at it with different eyes as people that are moving in instead of just guests there. So I'm going to take you guys along after we drop the boys off at school. All right, we made it to the building. We're about to meet up with the realtor, so we're going to go to the elevator and then go look at the place. All right, it's been a few days since the tour, and I didn't really do much of a tour because I wanted to keep some privacy, but I wanted to show you guys what the apartment looks like. And we are very excited So excited to move into that place. That place is very well taken care of. The people that used to live there were great. They bought everything pretty much brand new for that place. They rented it out unfurnished and they are leaving it furnished because the owner ended up buying a lot of stuff from them. So there's a lot that we don't have to take with us. However, there are a few things that we're going to have to buy, kind of like a wardrobe. I think we're going to have to buy a mattress. I can't remember, but we most likely will. And then also, we don't have a dishwasher. So we do have permission to buy a dishwasher and install it ourselves. So right now that rebajas or like a big sale event is coming up in January after King's Day, it's pretty much all over Spain that a lot of stores go with like crazy sales. So we can probably find one then and then install it ourselves. So we have that permission. And we are giving up a few things, like for example, the layout of the place that we live in now, everything has a room, which I personally like. A lot of people don't like that here in Spain for some reason, but I do. I like that the kitchen has a door, the living room has a door, the hallways have a door, everything has a door, and everything is in a separate room. Now in this place, everything is open and pretty much all in one area, but it's fine. That's pretty much what I've had my whole life, especially in the US. So it's gonna be okay. I do love the kitchen. The kitchen is definitely my favorite part. I don't like the fact that the refrigerator is smaller. We have been very spoiled with a bigger, almost American size refrigerator here. Now we're gonna have the pretty much the standard European fridge, and that's okay. We will accommodate, we'll adapt and overcome, and we'll be fine. I do like the fact that we're sticking with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, full baths. The baths look nice. The showers are a lot bigger than what we have now for sure. And they did leave some storage stuff that we can use to store things. So I'm really grateful for that. As far as the price goes, I'm not going to go into it just because that's private. However, in the area, you can find something between 700, 800 euros to like 15, 1600, depending on what you're getting and exactly the area that you're in. We're still going to be in the same area, so we're not going very far. Where we live now is great. The apartment, we love it. It's been great. It's served its purpose for us in this first year and a half that we've been here. Everything has been great, except if you remember that this year we went through a struggle with our AC breaking, our water tank breaking, our washing machine breaking. Some other stuff is still messed up that hasn't been fixed. So it's been a little bit hard to get these things under control, and especially because our landlords don't live in Spain. So it's really hard to get a hold of them sometimes. So I think it's definitely time to move on, especially because this opportunity came up, so we can't pass it up for sure. But other than that, we've been very grateful to live here. The location is prime. It is the best location, in my opinion, that we've ever had. And I love it. Personally, I actually absolutely love it. But like I said, it is time to move on. So we're going to move on to that place in January. And I will bring you guys along the whole process of packing and showing you guys how we're going to pack and move. It's going to be a little tricky because I think we're going to have to rent a truck, not like a U-Haul truck like we would in the US, but like some sort of truck to just pack all of our suitcases up and maybe like a couple boxes or so, and then take them over to the new apartment. A lot of apartments here move in from the window. Like it's so interesting to see. It's so cool. Like you'll have like almost like something towing something up to your window, and that's how they get big furniture in. So thankfully we won't have to use that because we don't have any big furniture to move in. We don't really have any furniture to move in, if anything. So I'm grateful for that. Very, very grateful. So we'll see what the future holds. We're only signing a lease for 1 year, and we'll see if we end up buying after this or if we end up staying there a little bit longer. But I do want to bring you guys along this whole process, and I'm really excited. So stay tuned for videos, for routines. Let me know what else you guys want to see when it comes to this new apartment, and I'll definitely do it. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.